React. Changing an uncontrolled input. I have a simple React component with the form which I believe to have one controlled input. When I run my application, I get the following warning. Warning. My form is changing an uncontrolled input of type text to be controlled. Input elements should not switch from uncontrolled to controlled, or vice versa. Decide between using a controlled or uncontrolled input element for the lifetime of the component. I believe my input is controlled since it has a value. I am wondering, what am I doing wrong? I am using React 15.1.0. I believe my input is controlled since it has a value. For an input to be controlled, its value must correspond to that of a state variable. That condition is not initially met in your example because this state name is not initially set. Therefore, the input is initially uncontrolled. Once the onChange handler is triggered for the first time, this state name gets set. At that point, the above condition is satisfied and the input is considered to be controlled. This transition from uncontrolled to controlled produces the error seen above. By initializing this state name in the constructor, for example this state equals name, the input will be controlled from the start, fixing the issue. See React controlled components for more examples. Unrelated to this error, you should only have one default export. Your code above has two. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.